would say if we're looking in pharma now and exactly what we're seeing in the landscape, right, is it's really aligning to what consumer expectations are outside of pharma, right? People are looking for instantaneous information. They want to get answers to their questions. They want to be able to have services that meet their needs as they're going through the healthcare journey. So it's really about the right information, right service, right channel, right time. And that becomes more important because it's not about healthcare, it's more about the expectations of the patient or the healthcare professional.
So as there's a definite trend in the industry to very expensive therapies that are being delivered, up to $100,000 per patient per year, we've got to do a better job, I think, of serving that patient population. It can't just be about advertising.
So the global trend is clearly moving towards personalization, and that is true for product supply, it is true for R&D, and it is true for the commercial organization. The consequence of that personalization is clearly leading towards an increased complexity on how we serve patients or physicians' need.
In this new reality, we need to be truly customer-focused, evidence-driven, and outcome-based as a healthcare organization.
It's not about being digital. What's important about being digital is improving the customer experience.
You will see a lot of centralization of brand strategies, content marketing, and overall execution and distribution, rather than the old ways of working.
Everyone, including healthcare professionals, patients, and general consumers, are increasingly leaving digital footprints. That's data that's out there to better serve our customers, be it healthcare professionals or patients.
And I think we're trying to find the right mix of how do we use the data available in order to make those personalize the experiences that our physicians are having with pharmaceutical companies. And that, I think, will allow us to have a better customer experience on their behalf.
If you really want to address that dramatic change, that you as an organization are prepared to manage your data, that you're prepared to consume your data, and then develop a mindset in the organization where you can make decisions based on that data that you're collecting.
We should all be following the lead of companies like Amazon, like Google. We need to be agile, we need to be nimble, we need to be responsive to our customer needs. And that's the way we need to transform ourselves.
We see most of big pharma hoping to partner with big technology players. But we believe that they're ultimately overestimating the appeal and the value that they have to these companies. Yes, our industry does have a lot of experience in drug development and regulatory, pricing, reimbursement, and commercialization. But we are likely underestimating the ambitions that big tech companies have to disrupt the areas that we're traditionally good at.